Hello and welcome to Makula. My name is Rose, and today I'll be walking you through one of the most powerful tools in Makula, custom fields. When you bring your assets into the system, of course, there are a few Makula fields that help you capture important information. But then perhaps there's other important information that you want to bring in or record per machine or per asset. And how you do that is by setting up custom fields which appear against each asset. You record all important information around an asset so that everything is stored against each asset. Now, to set up custom fields, simply navigate down to Settings, navigate to Asset Management, and Custom Fields. Here, you can set up custom fields for your machines or your parts. To add a custom field, simply click Add Custom Field. To create a new custom field, it's still in warranty, or when the warranty expires. I could set this up as a date custom field, name it. I can also define whether this custom field and the value against it for this asset should be visible to the customer when the customer has access to this asset via the portal or not. Let's say we do make it visible, and I click Save Field. Now, when I go back to my asset, or any asset for that matter, and navigate to the custom fields section, show empty fields, and the last one that we've set up shows up here. I can say, let's say the warranty for this machine ends on the 31st of December. As soon as I update that, that value is now set up over here. Of course, this field to populate this value for, let's say, 1,000 or 2,000 assets that I have in the system. I could also do this through a bulk import, where I would have in one row the serial number and name of the asset, one column for the warranty expiry date, and just the expiry dates for all of the assets in that column. I could then bulk import this, and all that. We're also recording the installation date, gone through the type of semiconductor, what the status of the warranty is, and so on and so forth. Of course, you can, according to the workflows, according to the data that's important in your organization, or for that matter, the data that's important based on the type of machines you're working with, you can choose to create any number of custom fields and record information against those. That's all for this video. If there's anything else that you're looking for, check out our other videos. Thank you.